Hi, my name is Ashna Sharma and I hail from Amritsar. It is one of the popular cities in Indian state Punjab. Currently, I am working as a software engineer at IBM Hyderabad, and the reason for giving IELTS is that I have many colleagues who are working overseas and I am really impressed by the work culture over there. They are having perfect work-life balance, and that is what I guess impressed me a lot. My overall band score for IELTS was 8 and I've given general training. I feel that there are two tips and tricks that works best, at least for me and I'm sure for all. One is the focus, and second is you have to get your ears accustomed to all sorts of accents. So if you lose the flow of the listening, then I believe that a person easily loses the score, and it is very difficult to concentrate in the part 3rd and 4th where multiple conversations are there. So I believe that focus is the must needed in listening section. So coming to the reading module, I have scored 8.5 bands. I personally feel that reading is not very difficult because the only thing that you need to focus in reading is your time management skills. Because whenever we are practicing at home, we are always very leisure and we are taking things quite easy. But I will recommend every single person to practice the reading exam as we are having ample of mock tests available online, and you must do practice by keeping the time frame in mind, because that is one thing which can increase or decrease your scores. Coming to the writing module, I've scored 7 bands, which I personally feel that it's really good. I don't know about others. The reason is that initially when I've heard about other professionals who have done IELTS, they have always said that you have to work really hard, you have to be something different, you have to be like a Shakespeare. But I personally felt that it's not the same scenario if you are hardworking. In my case, I have gone through various videos on YouTube and I have gone through various Cambridge material that are available on the internet, which you can go through, and you have to be very precise about the word limit. When it comes to writing part, CD IELTS is a blessing because you don't have to erase the stuff that you have written, you don't have to rewrite, you don't have to worry about your handwriting especially. It's just that you only need to focus on the content that you have to write. I believe that everyone has written the topics or essays in the academics, right? So it's just matter of implementing those things that we have learned years ago now in the IELTS exam. Moving to the speaking section, I've scored 8. Yet another example that when I didn't give speaking,